Retirement doesn't have to mean slowing down. Meet Susan, a former nurse now teaching health education in Ghana, and John, an engineer training solar technicians in Peru. Globally, 55% of retirees seek meaningful work abroad, according to ILO data. This video will guide you through teaching, volunteering, and income-generating opportunities that align with your skills and passions. Your career skills are more transferable than you think. Teachers can train educators abroad, healthcare workers can volunteer in clinics, and tradespeople can mentor artisans. The UN reports 70% of overseas retiree roles leverage existing expertise. Start by listing your hard skills, like accounting or carpentry, and soft skills, like leadership or language fluency. ESL teaching is a popular option, but vocational training is equally needed. The ILO's 2024 report highlights demand for retirees to teach trades, business skills, and healthcare practices. Programs like Spain's Senior Experts pair retirees with local schools for 3 to 12-month commitments. No degree? Many countries accept TEFL certificates earned online in 4 to 6 weeks. The UN's layered volunteer model combines short-term skills transfer with long-term local capacity building. Retirees might train Red Cross responders for 2 months, while also coaching local trainers. In Costa Rica, 60% of environmental conservation projects now prioritize retiree volunteers for their expertise, says the IFRC 2015 review. Many programs offer stipends or housing to offset costs. The Meducation Alliance reports retirees teaching STEM in Kenya receive $800 monthly plus homestays. Alternatively, combine part-time paid work, like online consulting, with volunteering. In Portugal, retiree entrepreneurs can get startup visas by employing locals, a true win-win. Thailand's non-immigrant OA visa allows retirees to volunteer, while Mexico's temporary residency permits part-time work. Always verify programs through official channels. ILO warns against scams targeting older volunteers. Pro tip, some countries, like Ecuador, offer discounted healthcare for retiree visa holders. True integration means learning the language. Even basics earn respect, and participating in community events. Retiree Linda in Vietnam shares, joining a morning Tai Chi group led to teaching English at their community center. NGOs often provide cultural orientation. Take it. Studies show retirees who embrace local lifestyles report 40% higher satisfaction. Track outcomes beyond hours volunteered. Maybe your carpentry workshop trained 15 locals who now run a cooperative, or your health classes reduced clinic visits by 30%. The UN's volunteering framework emphasizes legacy building. Documenting knowledge transfer ensures your work continues after you leave. Meet Robert, a retired banker teaching financial literacy in Belize through a UN-partnered program. Or Maya, whose nursing background helped launch a mobile clinic in rural Greece. These aren't exceptions. ILO data shows 82% of skilled retiree volunteers secure meaningful roles abroad when following structured programs. Start with the ILO's Skills for Abroad self-assessment tool, linked below. Next, research certified programs through UN volunteers or NGOs like Peace Corps Response. Remember, successful retiree workers plan 6 to 12 months ahead for visas, finances, and cultural prep. Your adventure begins today.